Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'll show you how you can boot to a USB flash drive on your HP computer, be it a desktop or laptop. So in this case I'm using an HP EliteBook laptop. So we'll boot into the USB flash drive connected to this laptop. It has Windows 11 installation files on it. So I've connected it to the laptop. And then the next thing you want to do is, if your computer is already logged in, you want to shut it down or you want to restart the computer to begin the process to boot into the USB flash drive. So you can either click the shutdown or you can select the restart to restart your computer. And then when the computer is starting up, immediately you see the HP logo. You want to press or continually press the escape key. Immediately you see the HP logo, press the escape key to enter the boot menu. So this is the boot menu, and the next thing you want to do is to enter the boot device options by pressing the F9 option to enter your boot device options. So the USB flash drive is the middle option. So we're going to use the down arrow key to move the blue highlights onto the USB hard drive option to select it, and then from there all you need to do is to press the enter key to begin booting into the USB flash drive or the USB hard drive. If you've done an installation before, over here you want to press any key to boot into the USB flash drive, and then you can see that the process has begun, and you can see the lights on the flash drive blinking, indicating that the boot process has begun from the USB flash drive, and you can see the installation process has also begun. So kindly subscribe, like and share the video for more videos, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye for now.